What if I told you that saving money could be fun, exciting, and even profitable? Imagine growing your savings not in a bank but in Dogecoin. Yes, the meme coin that started as a joke has now turned into a real investment opportunity. But is saving in Dogecoin actually worth it? Can it be a smart financial move, or is it just another internet hype? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes we'll break down how Doge savings work, the risks, and whether it's a good idea for your future. What is Doge savings? Doge savings is the idea of accumulating Dogecoin over time instead of keeping your money in traditional banks. Instead of earning low interest rates, many crypto holders believe that Dogecoin can grow in value, providing much better returns in the long run. But how does it actually work? There are two main ways to save in Dogecoin. 1. Holding Doge in a secure wallet. This is the simplest way. You buy Dogecoin, store it, and wait for its value to rise. 2. Staking or earning interest on Dogecoin. Some platforms offer interest on Dogecoin savings, meaning you earn extra Doge just by keeping it in your account. But is this really safe? Let's explore the pros of Doge savings. Potential for high returns. Dogecoin has seen major price spikes before, making it a promising option for long-term holders. Easy to use and trade. Unlike traditional investments, Dogecoin is accessible and can be traded instantly. Decentralized and inflation-resistant. Unlike fiat money, Dogecoin is not controlled by banks or governments. Many people believe that as crypto adoption increases, the value of Doge will rise, making savings in Dogecoin potentially more profitable than traditional methods. The risks of Doge savings. High volatility. Dogecoin's price can rise or fall dramatically, which means savings can lose value quickly. Lack of stability. Unlike traditional savings accounts, Dogecoin is not insured, meaning if the market crashes, there's no safety net. Scams and security risks. Some platforms promising high interest rates on Doge savings may not be reliable, leading to possible losses. So, should you put all your money into Dogecoin savings? Probably not. But using it as part of a diversified strategy could be a smart move. How to start Doge savings safely? Choose a secure wallet. Use a trusted crypto wallet like Ledger, Trust Wallet, or Binance for extra security. Use reputable platforms. If you're earning interest on Doge, make sure it's through a reliable exchange like Binance Earn or Crypto.com. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Since crypto is unpredictable, it's best to start small and grow over time. So, is Doge savings worth it? If you believe in Dogecoin's future and are willing to take some risks, it could be a fun and rewarding way to grow your money. However, always remember to invest wisely and stay informed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.